The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Ready to start a good week. Morning, Kevin, Dave, George. How are you all doing today? Market is down somewhat, but not a lot. Obviously, Friday we had non-farm payrolls. You can see that NQ almost regained the entire thing, as did ES today. We opened about 12,015. We hit a low of 11,942, so very small range so far. 60, 50, 73 point range, which is very small. Copper started the night up and then fell, but only about 100 ticks of range. 100 points would be something, wouldn't it? Gold, same thing, and it only has about 18 points of range. Ultra Bond just made a new daily high since I moved this. See, it really liked the whole Friday thing, getting all the way up to 142.29, which, no, that's not right. 143.05. It's at 142.29 now for the high today, so about a point and a half range. Good morning, Mr. G, and thank you. Crude oil bounced off 80 there, and up to 82.40, so about 240 ticks of range. And natural gas, hard fall. Gap down at the open, and then popped back up, and now is back down again. Double bottom there. Looks like about 270 ticks of range. Bitcoin above 17,000. So that's where we stand, sit, whatever body position you have. Yes, news this morning. No, well, nothing big at 8:30, but yeah, 9:45 U.S. S&P services and composite PMIs. 10 o'clock U.S. ISM services PMI, U.S. factory orders month over month. That's our news today. And yes, we are testing overnight lows, which was this spike down here at about 410. Just another spike, exactly, almost like, looks like twins. Not the Danny DeVito, Arnold Schwarzenegger type. But yeah, low 40.53 and a quarter. Low 40.53. Morning, Matt. Oh yeah, that looks like a possible bounce candidate there. We'll wait for the bounce before we jump in. Later on this morning, maybe we'll talk a little bit about CFT's newest video. Five reasons you suck as a day trader and maybe should quit. For now, we will watch price action. Yeah. And yeah, I'm not a subscriber to Tough Love. I think it turns off more people than helps. But I mean, everything he did say is true. I think it could be presented different. But what he said, you know, you know, everything he said is true. It's just like I said, if I did the video, I'd present it different. Eh, but you know what? He's bought a Porsche and a Jeep. We're still dipping down. They're still dipping dots. Still bouncing on this 40.53 level. How low will it go? This downturn started right about here. Just about 45 minutes ago. Dipped down here, tried to come back up, failed to get back up, and then whoosh. And it's come down about 8 points. NQ obviously making the same move, down to 11,950. There's a little bounce. Yep, bounce failed. Good morning, Dakota. No, Matt. I mean, I understand where you're coming from too. Like I said, I am concerned that I'm not sure exactly what caused CFT to kind of go off the deep end and like shun everybody and I was worried even before that with his tirades against micros and becoming insulting that he was going to start hurting his channel. And like I said, I consider CFT a good friend. He's helped me out a lot. He's helped his channel out a lot. And that was bothering me. That what I thought was at the beginning with his micros thing was all in fun and jest, started becoming more of a harsher tone. And I don't know. In my opinion, his messages about what he said in the latest video is all right. The only problem I have with it is the tone. It I don't know what he's trying to accomplish with this, new harsher persona. That it just bothers me because I believe I know CFT the man from over a year of interacting with him, you know publicly and privately, and I hate seeing this and not knowing if there's something going on that we don't know about. But quite honestly, I miss him. I miss talking to my friend. So we're watching this. It has popped up about 2 points, but I didn't realize, I didn't know exactly where the bottom was going to be there. So it's heading up here toward the EMA. I hate it when it's inside the ranch. It's worse when it's inside the Thousand Island or the Vinaigrette. Reminder, guys, that since it's Monday, we'll be doing 2 streams today. This morning is one of them, obviously, and then 7:45 this evening we'll trade Asia. Hopefully, Kim will be around for that. Don't remember if I saw her on Friday. Morning, Crypticon. Morning, JC. Welcome, guys. Yes, we're Crypticon. We were just talking about it like literally 32 seconds before you came on. Mr. G's YouTube channel, if anyone wants to go there. There's the link, Winning Wall Street's Money. Good morning, G-Man. This little up, down, up move I kind of like. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. I can't find my Tradovate window. There it is. We'll watch. See whether this gives us anything. Your thoughts on it, Crypticon? My screen's frozen. My price is not moving on. There we go. Now it is. No, Crypticon, you should not quit. You should make the changes that need change. Quitting isn't going to get you anywhere. Oh, wow. So, another move down there. Quick spike. 6A. I haven't heard you trade 6A before. I don't even think I have an Aussie chart anywhere. I have British, I have Japanese, I have Europe, but no Australian. I've ran out of chart space. By the way, guys, this is why I don't follow RSI except for trying to play with the bands a bit. See here, we were down below the lowest, the 30 line on the RSI, well down into the teens actually on the RSI filter, RSI, and we're still in the same area, and yet now it's up toward the midline. This is why I don't follow the whole overbought, oversold. Yeah, it came up a point or two, but this is why I don't really look at overbought, oversold. Now we are getting a trigger candle, and I do like the trigger candle here. Red candle formed after the trigger. I'm waiting. Waiting to see if that pops back up. Yeah, that's pretty harsh. Came down 5 ticks. A bunch of people have been trading 6E lately. The box not here yet or at all. He's been trading 6E lately. A couple other people have. People seem to like it. That or it's micro. Taking the long here. I like the way that rebounded there. I said it. 2 points actually looks huge here, which is my target. We're gonna move our stop to that low day, but 2 points looks huge here, so I might cut it if it doesn't look like it wants to go very far. Uh, I do not have the bot turned on today, and I never use the bot when you see me trading. The bot stuff is all off screen. Crypticon, that's the euro. Six E chart, real quick, right there. Reminder, today is the last day for Apex's 80% off lifetime sale. I mean, knowing Apex is the last time for a few weeks, but anyway. So if you want any additional Apex accounts, today's the day to get them. Use the link posted there by Nightbot for Apex. You'll be supporting Mr. LaRocco there. That's his Apex link. This is not looking good. You have some news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. Crypticon. No Fed speakers that I saw. Not huge news, but it could move the market. Not going up like I had hoped here. Really thought we might get a little rebound there, but it looks like it's not going to happen. Back to break even. Always good. Maybe up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And Q. Kind of leveled out there as well. Top of the hour, 5 minutes away. Real quickly, let's look at. Oh, look at gold going. Yeah, that was the worst we should have hitched our wagon to. Last 10 minutes or 15 minutes or so, it's going up 3 points. 2 points. Crude also slow grind up. The quitting thing, I mean, okay, Crypticon, you got to do what's best for you, but I don't think quitting is the answer. I mean, I've come close to it a few times. I admit that, and probably would have if I wouldn't live stream and just would disappear, and you all would be like, "What's going on?" But quitting is not the answer. It's fixing the issues, And you and I have talked about these issues, Crypticon. With too many contracts and a little bit of gambling mentality. Hey, this is working now. It's literally a tick away from my target here. Tick to 2 ticks, depending. New candle. Come on, give me one more tick. There we go. Target hit. $100 winner to start the morning. Thank you, guys. So I held in there. It pulled back, and part of me wanted to get out here. I honestly thought we were going to continue to head down since down was our overall trend. But it felt like where we were at on the RSI, the bands and such, that we were heading up, and it worked out. And let's go do that. Yeah, binary beats. Thank you, guys. Nice job, player. The George Mitchell, there's another 60 person. May have got a little lucky there. It didn't go any further than my target at this point. Now we'll wait for our next entry. We will patiently wait. Folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, or you expect to enjoy today's stream, I appreciate you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Up, down move there. Anything else fun going on? Yeah, look at gold just breaking out here. This would have been the best, obviously. You can see here, this was a beautiful move right here. Boom. Up over 3 points. Oh, even more. just burst up there a little bit. I believe he just started trading it recently. JC trades 6E sometimes. Oh, wow. Not afraid of falling, but boom, 2 points down. I mean, and obviously I say boom, wow, just looks like a big candle. It's only 2 points, but still, it's 2 points. More in the world above. RTR. Agriculture overnight. A slight rise up, it looks like, on just about everything. Pop back up there after that impulse down. Good morning, Robin. How's your weekend, Robin? Nice there, G-Man. Morning, Joshua. And my weekend was all right. Thanks, Robin. Yes, Robin. discussion has been heavy on the CFT. Good morning, G-Cart. Been a while since I've seen you. Welcome. Mr. Overtime Wayne. CFT is giving some tough love, and the message in this video isn't bad. I actually did a quick write-up on the back end of the Discord that, he makes good points for the most part. I don't know what set CFT off that he decided to totally leave Discord and all that, and his messaging has just gotten, it's not conducive to, it started with the micros thing where it went from being this fun thing in jest to actually, coming across that I was really worried he was going to start harming his channel, and I still am. But I mean, that's up to him. I consider CFT a good friend. Certainly not going to tell him how to run his channel, and I miss talking to my friend. But overall, the video, it's tough love, as he puts it. It's not the way I would have presented the information, but a lot of it does pertain to me, especially number 5. Greetings, citizen. Yeah, in a way. It's just, I just get the feeling right now that CFT's trying to upset people for some reason, and that's not the man I came to know, so I think there's something going on, and I can't speculate. I don't want to speculate, because I don't think that does anything good for him or for us. I just hope he's okay. I hope there wasn't some sort of event in his life that made this change that he's dealing with by being this gruffer person outward. Like I said, I was worried that he was getting a little self-destructive with the whole micros talk before he disappeared, but it was, I don't know, I just feel like it was maybe an accumulation of things and all that, but you know, CFT helped out me a lot, helped out this channel a lot, and I just miss my friend. Even just talking to the guy, I you know, that's the part that bothers me the most. Uh, he is here. How do you know that, script writer? And no, do I think CFT has a god complex? Not at all. Do I? Like I said, I agree with every single one of his points. Good morning, Tay. I agree with every single one of his points, especially, number 5. For those that didn't watch it yet, number 5 is you're using, you're hoping to use trading to get out of your current lifestyle. I mean, obviously we all want to make trading, or I shouldn't say all. Most of us want to make trading our profession, our main source of income, whatever. But being in the situation that I'm in, that's been one of my biggest things, and it's also, I think, one of the reasons I trade like I do, because it's my psych. You know, I I put in the work. For those that haven't watched it, his 5 points for us. We watch ES continue down, making new daily lows. The 5 points were focus. You focus on money and not on the trading. That I've heard from many, many, many different successful traders. Focus on getting your trading right, and the money will follow. So laziness, that you're not willing to put in the work, so on. That one, I mean, I put in hours upon hours of charting, so that one I don't think applies to me at all. Treating it like gambling, and a lot of us do that. And I don't really gamble much. I'm more conservative, but there is a lot of gamblers in the space. And I will say this, having firms like Apex throw up 80% deals where these accounts are $30 each is kind of, encouraging that. Um, More interested in telling others how great you are. That one, I mean, I tell everybody I suck, and I've never, ever made it seem like I was anything good at trading yet. Just why I've never done a video on my strategy, even though like people keep asking me to, because until I prove that I can trade this strategy successfully, I don't like the idea of sharing it. But it's your way out of your current lifestyle. Obviously I am, I am very low income, put it that way. And yes, this is, dreams of being able to do this, but, you know, just needing the money at time, or feeling like I need to do this to get to this point, is a cause of this, my psych. It's not my strategy. I understand trading, but it's the psych issues that make me change, like for instance, everyone knows I run a bot. My bot got me up to $1,600 on my funded earn to trade account. Then it gave me 2 red days, and what did I do? Because of those 2 red days, I freaked out, changed the parameters of the bot. Next day was also a red day on the new parameters, but would have been a green day on the old parameters. So instead of staying the course, I panicked. I jumped, and it just made things worse. And it's, similar to just trading manually. I do the same thing. Not, I hesitate and don't take the trades I should. It's all this fear of losing, of going backwards, that caused my issues. Everyone wants to point out my trading or whatever. It's my psych. You know what? Yeah, he did that, but yet he's not. I honestly, I think that was more of a just a YouTube thing. I've gotten to know CFT. We've talked, you know, one on one, put it that way. And honestly, I mean, for the most part, he seems like a very humble guy, a very helpful guy. Um, Heck, he put my live stream up on the 65-inch flat screen in his parents' house, and his parents thought I was talking to them directly. It was kind of funny. Uh, he he seems very, very nice. And like I said, he never needed to go out of his way to help this channel as much as he did. His promotion of me um, is what got me to 1,000 subscribers. Heck, his promotion of me is what helped a lot of you find me. Not sure that's such a bad job though. But Crypticon, I think you're being funny, or if you're being serious, you're overreacting. I'm not definitely not judging him for disappearing. I'm not judging him for anything. I think I'm very much of a defender of CFT. Like I said, I'm worried that there's something happened in his life that kind of changed him for right now, and I don't know what that could be because obviously he's not communicating. Yeah, I want to make it clear that I have tremendous respect for CFT. But I mean, just because she has tremendous respect doesn't mean you can't disagree with somebody. And I just disagree with his tone of his messaging right now. Everything he said in that video was kind of on point. It's just he could have said it in a nicer tone, nicer way. Because I think tough love does work for some people. Obviously, I think for the most part, it just turns people off. And I tried watching that video last night. I tried to keep a very open mind as I did, and tried not to get upset about anything he might have said. But I don't think he's judging to be a judge. I think he's trying to wake people up. I don't really think he has malicious intent. I think he's trying to get people to see that especially if you're a prop firm trader and you don't have a lot of money, that these are awesome opportunities, and it's opportunities we should be taking more serious instead of just constantly blowing up accounts and buying another $30 account. Let's start taking it more seriously. Let's figure out how to trade. And he's not talking about the person that blows up one or two accounts here and there. He's blown accounts, obviously. I think he's more looking at people that he's seen. With him being affiliates, he's seen people. As an affiliate of certain programs, you see that what people do. And he's seen people that are reset 40 times in a day. And this is what I mean about CFT being. CFT would rather not make the money on the resets and see that person start trading the right way instead of resetting 40 times a day and him getting money from that. So I mean, like I said, I disagree with his way of doing it, but the message isn't a bad message if it was presented better. A little bit of a pop up here. We got down to 40, 50, 50. You might be hearing my cat wanting his back scratched. He has dry skin on his back, right near his spine, that he can't get to because he's fat. And so he constantly wants his back scratched. Nice little pop up there. CFT's video. Well, I can post it. There is the CFT video. Oh, nice boost up. Although, it's an interesting candle there. Oh wait, you know what? Ultra Bond is open. We usually get a little boost right there at 8:20. Hey, no Chris Moore this morning. He always reminds me about times where boosts happen. Ultra Bond opened there, 4 ticks up. This was a trigger candle. Caught me a little bit off guard, and I'm not sure I would have wanted to take it anyway with that big wick back down. But it's gone up about 3 ticks so far, so we can watch it. Got one win so far, this move here. Probably could have taken this short back. I mean, I could have. So we'll mark this and see if it goes. Yep, that would have got me my target. Nice move up here. Yeah, that would have been a winner. And Dakota, I definitely appreciate your posting winners. I do agree. We want to keep a positive attitude here, and hopefully we can continue to move together. See what is everything else done. Gold reached a high there and then pulled back and given up most of the move. Crude still grinding up to about 82 and a half. Natty gas falling. Copper rising. Treasury's moving down. Bitcoin with a nice bounce there. Nice, Dakota. We're watching that while we're watching ES. Short. I mean, Dakota's 2 ticks from its target, and it seems to have stalled. ES continuing to move up. A little bit of dip, and a nice little candle to maybe go green and go up long on after that big wick down. So let's see. Let's mark that one out as well. Morning, Walter. Oh, wow. Nice burst up there. Let's see. It's got back above this level here, or it was for a quick second. So from the bottom here, 40, 50, up, we've come up about 7 points. Struggling to get above this level. Nice move up. Can it get above this level that it's struggling with here, which is 40.57.5? You can see we consolidated as this move was coming down. We consolidated in this level before making another leg down. So this has been a struggle area. One for one so far on the morning, $100 winner. Looking for another. Excellent, Dakota. Very nice. Morning, John. G-Man, it's from trading. I mean, he's not making $200,000 a year as an affiliate for these companies. How are you doing, John? My bot didn't like it last night. I didn't trade, but my bot didn't like it. But I knew that was gonna be a problem, and I'm gonna make an adjustment on the bot. It does not like those Sunday gap ups or gap downs. Right at the open, it throws it off. You can turn back time. Turn back time. CES here. Last night's open, gapped up, and the bot took this long because of that gap up, and then obviously it tried to keep coming up, but eventually that didn't work well. Pulling back here, I believe as G suggested that we're going to see a retracement. trigger candle here. Yeah, that's the one I don't agree with at all. I think trading communities can be very good, Robin, except, there are obviously bad communities, the ones that are just about calling out signals or trying to sell crap and stuff like that. You know, MightyOxTrading Discord definitely tries not to have any of that on there. I think Earn a Trade does a good job not. I mean, obviously Earn a Trade trying to sell evals, but other than that, have I tried footprint charts? No, I have not. Oh, it bounced up there. And a reminder, we will be on tonight as well, 7:45 Eastern for the Asia session. Our double stream Mondays. Doing that the 5th, the 12th, and the 19th. We won't be doing it the 26th. I don't know if we do. The markets closed Monday the 26th in the morning, as far as I'm aware. CME's calendars always confuse me, but I don't think we'll be streaming in the evening either. Mr. G wants to know if anyone's tried footprint charts. I don't even think that's an option here. No, I don't have footprints on TradingView. That's right. I do remember Matt mentioning he was using footprints. Oh, is that on the Apex software, Matt? Nice little bounce here. Why I did not follow that trigger. I thought we might bounce. Watching to see if this wants to come up and then down. We are about 49 minutes until the bell. I don't usually scream. Oh, nice little bounce there. Oh, okay. You see these wicks on all these candles. Seems like it wants to come down. Can't even really call them candles. They're all wick. Nice, 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 Dakota. That's not good. JC, is that normally an issue? There's Dakota's target. And I was right. I should have taken the short there. Morning, Ace. Great job, Dakota. 2 for 2 for Dakota today. And that would have hit target if I had gone short when I said it. Well, it looks like let's go short. Okay, everyone, for being here this morning. So watching the price action. It's been decent action here. I've missed a couple opportunities, but we are 1 for 1 today. We've also been debating CFT's latest video. $40.51. Good luck on that, Kevin. Watching it drop. Kind of stagnant here. Good luck with that, JC. For the bounce there on the UV. Wow, so gold had this brilliant move up. Oops, I blew up the wrong chart. I do that a lot. Gold had this brilliant move up here, and then whoosh. Oh, okay. You know what? I guess that was just a weird pullback because obviously gold's been in a downtrend all day or all night. So, oh, speaking of whoosh, well, I think Kevin got his target. But it's turning against JC. Wow, where'd that whoosh come from there, guys? 3.5 points. New low a day? New low a day. That came out of nowhere. Let me look to see if some sort of weird news just popped that no one was expecting. Nothing that I see. Ouch, JC. The whoosh trade. Canadian building permits came out like half an hour ago, though, or 20 minutes ago, didn't it? Or did I read that wrong? Let me look. Yeah, Canadian building permits came out 20 minutes ago. Was a miss. Big miss. Wow, huge miss. They expected 7.9. They got negative 1.4. Yeah, that would have been a good bounce to take there, as G-Man just did. They'll hit the low of 40.46.25, bounced up to 40.49.25, a 3-point bounce. 3-point bounce. Eight minutes till top of the hour. 38 minutes until the bell. Good morning, Chris. How are you doing today? It came up and then right back down. Thank you, Chris. Oh, another big push down there, down to 40.45 and a half. Yep, one good trade so far, Chris. There's some more opportunities that I didn't take, but been a good morning. We've been having a good, fun debate on CFT's latest video. There's some news at 9:45 and at 10 PMIs. You're welcome, Chris. Hanging around this 40-45 area. And moving further down. So quite the fall, quite the fall. See this 30-minute candle here, down 11 and almost 12 points. It's giving back half of Friday, rise back up from the NFP fall. We'll bounce back up. Heading toward the top of the hour. Crude market, well, energy's market's open then. See if there's anything interesting going on Twitter. News. Reminder that this would be the last week for December contracts on the indices. The rule is officially for Monday, so Monday you should be on the new March contract next Monday on the 12th. I'll remind you of that throughout the week. Oh, wow, Chris. Yeah, I'm definitely glad you're still with us. Wow. It'll bounce up here. We're trying. Hanging around this 40-45 area. Got down to 40-44 even. See what crude's doing with its market opening. Oh, straight down. Not straight down, but 30 ticks down. Nice move down. So again, reminder that Apex 80% off lifetime sale ends tonight. Anyone wants to get a couple more evals at that price? It's your last chance for now. Using the link there that Nightbot posted, supports Mr. Matt LaRocco. That's his affiliate link. That's a good point. Ace, double-edged sword there, but he's given up the drinking. He's been sober since the accident, and we're proud of him for that. We continue to support him for that. Copper falling. Not afraid of copper falling. I don't know. I'm weird. Oh, there's a bounce. Crude. Just kind of hanging. Still hanging in this area, though. Still hanging in this area. Another reminder, Friday, December 16th. Weenie Trades, Greg from Weenie Trades, will be interviewing Daryl Martin, the founder and owner of Apex Trader Funding. That'll be a live interview on Greg's channel, We Need Trades, starting at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So as soon as we're done here with this stream, I'll at least be heading over there. Hope you all head over there as well and support Greg on that. Listen to what Daryl Martin has to say about trading and prop firms and whatever else Greg decides to ask him about. Well, that would really bring in a lot of people to the channel, wouldn't it? So we're seeing a pop here on ES. Good morning, Speed Racer. Welcome. See this move up, down, possibly back up. Up, down, left, right. How was the weekend, Speed Racer? It was alright. A little bit of a stair step in here. And back down. Had my finger on the buy button, but now taking off. We'll see whether or not what this wants to do here. We have just 23 minutes until the bell. There we go. Now it's trying again. Coming right down to those bands, though, so I'm a little hesitant. See, our bands are squeezing. They're only 5 points apart. We're stuck around 40.47. Pulling back a tad. And back down below the EMA. Oh, bend down. Things have slowed down here before the bell. Ultra bond leveled out. Crude continues to fall. Fell 31 ticks on that opening 5-minute candle. It's fallen more since. All right, Dakota. Good luck. He's looking for 17. It's at 19 right now. ES, trying to come back down. Suddenly I'm yawning. I need a nap. And it's only 8 in the morning here. Bounces here. Nice job, Dakota. It's a 22 on the day now. Am I correct? There's a bounce. Thank you for that reminder, Ace. Got a lot of people here today. It's been about 30 for a while. I want to thank everyone for being here. Remember, feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions and comments are always welcome. Earlier we had a nice healthy debate about CFT's new video. you want, you could be a comedian like Mr. Rocco there. Watching this here, I may take this long. This is a trigger candle. Taking a long here. Just hanging at 40.47. We don't get a lot of movement before the bell. I'll probably get out at the bell, but we'll see. Still got 13 minutes. Just flopping between 40.47.5 and 40.47.75. Now pull back another tick. Another 2 ticks. Looking for a push up here. I'll take a point. Just a point will make me happy. I didn't mean down a point, I meant up a point. See if it bounces off the EMA here. If it drops below, I may get out. Oh, there we go. Back to my entry. Yeah, CFP put out a controversial video yesterday, Chris. 5 reasons you suck at day trading and should quit. Yeah, it's on his It's on his YouTube. Pulling back on me here. Oh. His message wasn't horrible. It's the way he delivers it that I don't like, but that's, you know, his prerogative. Move my stop up to the bottom of this candle here. It's now only, my entry's at 40.48, so it's now a 7-tick stop. Ten minutes from the bell. Not moving with any velocity here at all. Someone go in and buy 100 ES contracts for me. Oh, wow. There's 176 on the ask at 40.48 and a half. That's going to be a hard wall to get through. Oh, wow. Just never mind. Just burst through the wall. That's why I don't like looking at bids and asks. I mean, it just bursts through there. Come on, push up for me. Push up. Get in there. Back down to my entry. I got 1 tick right now. 7.5 minutes to the bell. Back to break even. Going back. Well, gosh darn it. Well, that sucks. Stopped out. Just like that. Nice.
Bah! Humbug!
Morning, Avi. So, took away my $100. We're up $3 today. Honestly, did not see that coming. Now, it'll be interesting. I was in at 40.48. My original stop would have been 40.45. So I moved the stop. If I hadn't moved the stop, I would not be stopped out. Let's see if I would have. Let's see if this goes back up. We will now stay flat until after the bell. So a couple minutes to the bell. We'll get ready. We'll watch on the 5 and the 1. I'm sorry, on the 5-minute chart on Q and ES. Gold's leveled out. Crude's kind of up and down. Copper heading down. Ultra bond heading down. Natural gas heading down. Two and a half minutes to the bell. Good luck with that. Remember also to flex your hands at times so you don't lose circulation. Minute and 10 seconds. At 9:45 and 10. Speed Racer. Bells will be ringing. A sad, sad tune. Continuing to move down right now, but not real quick yet. And there's back to green. Up 2 points on NQ, up 2 points on ES. Crude oil popping up a bit. Now we're back to red. It's indecisive. There's some green. NQ up 10. ES up 2. Not really going anywhere fast. 13.5 points, 17.5 points now on NQ. ES up 2. And trying to push back down. We're all whippy. Whip it good. Now NQ's up 20. EF's still only up a point. Gold doesn't care. Crude's up slightly. NQ's sending a trigger on the 5. Not dealing with that right now. NQ showing a little bit more strength than ES is here, but they're both being pushed back down now. Now pushing up again. $90 on this opening 5-minute candle. Kind of choppy though. Choppy open. 15 points now on NQ. ES just a point and a quarter. It's trying now. There we go. Now it's getting some momentum. 4.5 points on ES. NQ 17.5. 15 seconds to go on this 5-minute candle. Boom. So finishes strong. Finishes up 4.5 points. Pulling back on the next candle. NQ finished up 24.25. Let's go back to our 1 minute on the ES. That's okay, JC. You see the ugliness into that last quick candle there, and you can see we're in the Bollingers. Strong move up here. All of a sudden, trying to get back that impulse candle from back about an hour, well, about 45 minutes ago. Nice strong move. Continuing to push up. There's G-Man's target, 54. So he's from the bottom here. We've pushed up about 6 points. Continuing to push. Expecting a pullback at some point, but hey, what do I know? Great job, John. Very nice. Maybe a top here. Yeah, wasn't brave enough to play it, but I had my finger on the short button, but wasn't brave enough to play. Let's see where it goes. Understandable, John. That's why I hate those news rules. There's a new prop firm that somebody found like last week for futures that has news rules for all 3 sessions. Like you can't be in when news comes out on Asia or Europe or any major news from any country. It's like you would have to be constantly just exiting positions. Who is that? Let me see if I still have him up in a tab here. Good question. Uh, they're called Funded Futures Network, FFN. Oh, dip down. Are we dipping back up? Can you even dip back up? These are the questions we ask. The hard-hitting questions we ask here in MightyOxTrading. Can you dip back up? Nope, we're dipping down. And yeah, see, I told myself to go short here, and you can see I would have got my 2. We'll continue to dip down to 40.50. That was stupid there because this candle here was fully outside of that first Bollinger. I should have taken. That was definitely a short call right there. Not call, but definitely a short to take. Little bouncy bounce here. Yeah, they actually did a full 8-minute video explaining what news events you can't trade. Good job, Gossip. Yeah, Chris, I definitely agree with what he said. It's just his tone at times. It's that's the only thing I disagree with. You got your money to the world above? Sorry to hear that, Tay. Thank you. Yeah, up, down, up. Kind of like ES is doing here. Just, ES hasn't really got the up yet. Hanging here about 40.51. We're up $3.71 on the day. Get excited. Yeah, remember we have news in like 52 seconds. We have U.S. S&P Services and U.S. S&P Composite PMIs finals. Then we have more news in 15 minutes. That's a trigger candle. I will not take the Z trigger candle because of Z news. Ten seconds. News did not really. Good job, Judah. News really didn't do anything here yet. Let's see if that trigger candle ends up working. Everybody's working for the trigger. Nope. So far would not have given me what I wanted. So that news really wasn't anything. Oh well. Now, I guess it decided a minute later it was good. So that would have been a good trigger candle by far. And new low a day. It took a minute. But now look at it. Wow, look at that wick. So new low a day 40.43. Hey, Kevin. Excuse me 1 second. Continuing to try to push down, but struggling. You have an alarm clock for when the reverse is finished there, Gossip? Or there's a pop. Not really, I mean, it's a point. I shouldn't say a pop. Remember, more news in 11 minutes. And going by the little red dots they put on in Financial Juice, that was supposed to be more important than what we just had. Continue to watch. See if anything else is doing anything fun and exciting. Crude still heading down. Gold. Gold's back under 1800. Wow. New low day on gold. See on Friday it dipped down to 1791. We're at 1799 now. Ultra bonds at new low a day. You still in the Euro chart there. Copper bounced off its low day. Crude did make a new high a day before pulling back, and natural gas new low. Ooh, but now we're trying to head up. You see NQ pushing, try to push back up to 12,000, and ES lagging a little bit behind, but that's a pretty strong candle there, 2.25. Let's see what we can get. It did kind of bounce off its EMA there. And right back down. So kind of rangy the last few minutes just in this area. Let's see which way it wants to go. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. My eyes are itchy today, not sure why. Here's another push down. The 40, low day is 40.43 and a half. We just hit that once again. Let's see if it can break through or if it's going to bounce again. Bouncing on that same exact level. So that's the level it needs to break through. Obviously, it's low a day. Let's look at our hourly chart. You can see here it's about well, halfway down, back down that NFP candle from Friday before coming back up. It's trying again. It's trying again. I don't know. Don't even know why I sang that. Excuse me 1 second. Guy, back. Sorry. Had to step away for a second. We're still on this low a day here at 43 and a half. Ace, 2 points yet. How you doing? Another bounce on that level. Did get down one tick further. Cool, good job, Ace. And short seems to be the direction. This got down to now the 40-43 even. But it's still stuck in this area. It keeps bouncing in the same range. It needs a good push. Oh, there's the push. Wow, is somebody listening to me down to 440.41. Wow, good call, ace. So, that line can go away that quick. New low, oops. New lows continue to form here, 40, 40, 75. Hot buttered biscuits, ace. And we're hanging here again. Will we bounce? Will we bounce? Bounce, bounce, bounce. Tigger's bounce. See what everybody else is doing here. And Q coming back down on the 5 there. Everything, well, big fall in crude. So crude hit a high of, I believe, 82.49. And it's fallen more than a full point since. About an hour and a half. Gold continues to fall. Everything's falling. We're red all over. Redder than Santa's suit. Yes, remember, more news coming in just about less than 2 minutes. We'll see what that does. Yep, 1 minute away. Not only factory orders, but one other thing there. I forget what it was, though. US ISM services PMI. Yeah, that's what it is. One day I'll look up what all these things mean. Remember, Friday is PPI. Friday's PPI. Next Tuesday, a week from tomorrow, is CPI. Next Wednesday, a week from Wednesday, is FOMC. No, it's only two things. G-Man, I'm sorry. I said there was another thing after you said about factory orders and before you typed out ISM services. So it's just some timing thing. As we're pushing down right before the news, down to 40.39. See what we get here. Ooh, down to 40.33 and I froze. Whoa. Wow. Down to 40.22 and a bounce. Back up to 40.27. Quite the move there. Bouncing about halfway back up already. U.S. factory orders month over month, actual 1%, forecast was 0.7%, so that was a beat. U.S. ISM services PMI actual 56.5, forecast was 53.3, so that sounds like a beat. Yeah, the price action froze both on TradingView and Tradovate for a second there. It was stuck at like 40.33 and then whished down. Great job, Crypticon. Great job, Avi. Continuing down here even after that little bit of a bounce. Well outside the 2 standard deviation Bollinger right now. That's a 3 right there, C sitting there. Popping back up a bit. I guess this G-Man went long about here. Still red right now. Still pushing down. Gold dropped almost 4.5 points on that news. NQ dropped 54 points, down under 11,900. Crude oil continuing to drop, trying to get below 81. Copper dropping, Dow dropping, everything's dropping. Treasuries are dropping. Everything's blood red. Not afraid of falling. So since this trigger here, it's come down 20 points. Just a whoosh. Now we see the bounce. There's the bounce. See, hit that same level 3 times. Excuse me. 40.25, 40.25, 40.25. Bounced up. Back up to 40.30. Strong move up. Trying to bounce back. Looks like it wants to come up, but so far stalling out this 40.32 area. So yeah, nice bounce here. Got down to 40.22, bounced back up to 40.35. Watching the price action. See if this wants to bounce back up here. after this pullback, or if we're going to come back down from it. So how much did you get from that, Crypticon? Taking a long here. Figures it stopped as soon as I took the long. Oh, there we go. Seriously? It touched my target, it didn't fill. There we go. Target hit, that's a winner. Oh, 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 oh. Speed Racer, thank you, Dakota. Speed Racer, a couple of companies have restrictions on trading a certain amount of time before and after a news event. Usually it's like a minute, but I haven't seen what that new one's is. But with Top Step, they recently got rid of their news rules. But before, I believe it was you couldn't trade the minute before, the minute after major news events like FOMC, non-farm payrolls, unemployment, etc. Thanks, JC. Have a great day. Uh, FTMO, they have a news restriction on theirs. That's a forex one. That's the one that John trades. That's why he cut his trade earlier so he didn't get stuck and not be able to get out before news. Usually, like I said, usually like within a minute before and a minute after. And if you trade within those time frames, you end up failing. Actually, usually they don't have that restriction in their evaluations. It's usually only on the funded accounts. And I got lucky again. It only went two more ticks and pulled back. Correct. That's right, Speed Racer. Yeah, I believe we have a few Renko traders here. Pulls back down. So trying a little pyramid thing here. Now we're back to hanging on 40.31. And Q still below 11,900. Gold still falling. Another little pop there on ES. That's a trigger candle. Up, down, up move possibly here. Being cautious. Candle closes in about 5 seconds. Yep. Underneath, back underneath, no longer a trigger. Now it is. It's a bit indecisive. I believe G-Man just exploded. Ow. There's a trigger. Nope. It's just hanging on 40.36. Goes back a little bit. This is the trigger. We're long. Pulling back. Pulling back by 5 ticks now. Hopefully this is a 1-bar pullback, but right now it's not looking too good. That looks like I'm gonna get stopped out. Maybe. Up, retreating. Came within a tick of my stop, I think there. Yeah, 1 tick of my stop. I went back up. See if it goes back green. Nope. Back to red. Coming back down. Stop filled. So we got a good stop there.
Bah! Humbug!
We're down $67 for the day. So, I don't know. Everything looked good there. We were above the yellow line. We were coming up a nice down, up, down move. I mean, up, down, up. But nope, wasn't time. We are getting higher lows. I'm just kind of sitting and watching here. Ultra bond also bounced and down. And Q, basically the same move. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And it's trying again. Reject. We wait. We're just kind of hanging out in this 40.32 to 40.34 area. Back down. We have nothing going on. Zero. What's agriculture doing? Ooh, agriculture looks ugly too. Look at that. Eek. Ooh, copper made a new daily low there. Gold's continuing to drop. Look at that drop. So at 2 a.m. last night, it sent a trigger on the hourly chart and it's dropped 26 points since. Ultraviolet, everything's making new daily lows here. So now, one of my thoughts was to take shorts when this goes back through this line and it's purple, and I should have. That would have been a good trade. Yeah, Friday is a pretty big range. Let's see, Friday. 4084 down to 40006. Almost all in that one NFP candle. Excuse me 1 second. I'm back. We've really slowed down here, guys. Slowly moving. Yep, we are coming into that 1030 possible reversal area. Been coming down, since a little bit after the open, we're coming down, but really been coming down all night long tonight. If we pop up here, trying again there. Trigger candle. Watching here. See if it can get back up above. Squeezing a bit on the bands on the RSI. A strong candle there, about 1.25 points. 2 points now. Pulls back a bit. Taking the long. Target hit. There we go. Wow. And target hit and then burst. Well, there's another winner. So we're going up and down today. And we're back up on the day by $28. Three wins, 2 losses today, resulting in about $28 in profit. Nothing to write home about, but green is green. And we're continuing to head up here. Back above the drop from the news at 10. Pulling back here a bit, you see that spike up, and that wick was bigger than the body. Now another move down. Big move down. 2.5, 3, 3.5. And bouncing back up. About half an hour left on our stream. Pushing back down. So that was a trigger candle, but I didn't really want to trust it. But that was a reversal candle there. And we've come back down from a high of 40, 40.5, all the way back down to 40.31. There's a bounce. Excuse me 1 second. Bouncing back up. So now we've gotten kind of all bouncy. Big candles here. Over 2 points each. Have a great day, Dakota. See you tomorrow. And now we're back up. Eyes are still watering. I'm not sure why. Pushing up. Now, I didn't take the trigger there, and I guess I should have. Definitely should have. This kind of choppiness, but both these would have worked. So both of these are missed opportunity to my pot. Actually, 3 in a row. So I'm an idiot. No, this one worked. So that's right. I did do that one. So I got that one, but this one and this one would have worked. So once again, I'm an idiot. Yeah, remember Dakota trades Ultra Bond, not ES. And we're continuing to push up here. See if we can get back above this level here, 40-40. It is trying to reverse from that overall downward trend. That news burst down might be it's our bottom. A little bit of a grind up now. Hanging here. We're hanging. Ultra Vaughn popping up. Look at crude down, still falling. I think there was any news on crude. We shall look. That's what I see. Did I see? Not that I see one bit. Reminder, folks, we are streaming tonight as well. 7:45 Eastern Time. A couple hours on the Asia session. Our once a week evening stream. If you're around, you want to join me for that? Nice push up there. And trying to get back above this level. Got close, but no cigar, which is good because this is a no smoking stream. Just kidding. All right, Mr. G, have yourself a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Oh, there's a burst. Back up to that 40-40. Up to 40, 41 and a half. Tw 19 minutes to go. Dashing through the snow. So since that bottom 40.22, we've come up about 20 points. So this was a nice move up. And I could have probably got in there again. And when it dipped and came back above that yellow line, I didn't. So definitely a lot of opportunities that I need to start taking more advantage of. I gotta stop trading scared. It's not really scared. I just don't want to lose money, and yet I should trust myself. I trust my elf. Have a good day, George. See you tomorrow. Or tonight if you want to pop in. About 15 minutes to go. See if we get anything else good. I'm green. Not as green as I'd like to be, but I'm green. I'm a mean green. Well, I won't finish that one. If anyone ever watched Little Shop of Horrors. Little shop of horrors, little shop. Here we go. That works, G-Man. Last call to hit that like button. If you enjoyed today's stream, you haven't hit it yet, I would appreciate if you do. But no pressure. No pressure whatsoever. Nope, I did not. It's completely Matt Morocco's coding. Second. Yep. I don't know coding. Matt does. Matt is awesome. There have a bullish engulfing here. Back up. Just kind of watching. I'm waiting. Yeah, John, I'm streaming tonight starting at 7:45 Eastern. All right, John, see you then. Have a great day. About 10 minutes to go in the stream. We're up $28. $28 green, which is better than red. Three wins, two losses today. And it's just kind of slow now. Anything else doing anything fun? Wow, look at Crew just continuing to fall. Down to 80.28, so it's fallen over 2 points since its top. Ouch. Excuse me while I multitask here. Put a little groceries away as I stream because I'm just that darn talented. How's everyone's P&L looking today? John was up, Dakota was up, Crypticon was up. Speed Racer, how you've done today? How have you done? Yeah, great English there. Okay. Nice job, Speed Racer. Yes, it does, Ace. Yes, it does. Ultra bond, a nice little pop. Pulling back a bit on NQ. This is crude, as we were talking about here a bit. You can see here is up, down, and then whoosh. Whoosh. Over 2 points. Trigger candle on ES there, but I was whooshing on crude. Any reason you're switching to YM there, Chris? Okay. Doesn't hurt to try new things. This would have been another good trigger candle. So this is, my stupidity. Now this one I just missed because we were looking at crude, but you can see the last trigger candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, all would have worked for at least 2 points. So, that's 100, 200, 300, 400. I ended up taking this one that did not work. Earlier. You can see this one easily worked. And that one worked. So overall, of the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 triggers, 6 worked. I just, in real time, I just second guess it. I mean, like I said, this one I missed because I was looking at something else. But this one, I took this one. This one worked. And then this one, I don't know. It was a big candle, and I thought we might reverse first, so I second guessed it. And honestly, I got no clue why I didn't take that. This one I got no clue either. This one I didn't take because it was at the bell, a couple minutes after the bell, and we were watching the first 5 minutes. But it's all psychological for me, and it always has been. I'm too risk averse. I'm too afraid of loss, and that ends up causing more losses. And it's kind of my entire life in a nutshell. I've always been way too conservative, never took chances, and that's the reason I'm at where I'm at overall, both in life and in trading. So we're just about at the 11 o'clock hour. See if this wants to come back down here. You know, and I, Speed Racer, I agree with that partly, but like this winner here, you know, it only went another. Well, okay, yeah, that one went 3 more points, so yeah, that one would have been better. But like this one winner back here, my first winner of the day. Wow, you know, this one here, it was a top pick. If I had tried for a runner, I would have ended up giving it back. So it's that I've had that internal discussion myself, wanting runners versus just taking the profit. Taking a short here. Ah, back to break even. Well, darn. Give it a little bit of room. If I stop to the top of that wick there. Probably going to end the day red now in this trade. I should have taken the 3 ticks. Okay, stop that. So I end the day down $88. Good way to end the day. Not too bad. So I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we will be back tonight for Asia. About 7:45 Eastern. Have a great rest of your day, everybody, and we'll talk to you tonight or tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.